Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a GoPuff order because if you forgot one thing or added the wrong thing and you just want to fix it before it's already on the way, this video will show you how to do it. So your first thing that you're going to do is open the GoPuff app and make sure you're signed in. And then in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to tap Account. Then you're going to tap My Orders or just Orders. Now select the order you're trying to change. Here's what to look for next. If you see an option like edit, modify, or add items, tap that and make your changes. If you don't see an edit portion, that usually means the order is already being processed, so your best move is to contact support immediately. To do that, you're going to go back into the account option, and then you're going to tap help. And from that help, you're going to say chat with support. Tell them exactly what you need to change. Like, I need to remove such and such item, or I need to add that, or I need to update my address. The faster you message support, the more likely they can catch it before it's packed or sent out. And that's honestly the best and easiest way I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually change a GoPuff order, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.